The Hubs and I were never an item before we got engaged. We worked together, so we kept the whole boinking each other thing under tight wraps. There was no commitment. We simply enjoyed our time together, went out for dinners, drinks, and discussed business ideas. We were both single, both a year out from failed long-term relationships, and both very much not interested in marriage. Fast forward a couple of months, I decide that I'd like to start dating a rather handsome guy from my university. Handsome expressed interest in asking me out, and not wanting to make things messy, I decided to break things off with the Hubs. That night, I informed the Hubs of my intentions. No more WB in our friendship title. Just friends. He said he understood, and that it was all good. Phew. I thought. That was easy. We had a few more beers and decided to take a walk. Stopping by the side of the lake, the Hubs took my hand in the dark and says, "Marry me." I laugh, because obviously this is a joke. I'm serious, let's get married. Why? Because you're worth marrying, and dating sucks. If we're going to date, we might as well skip ahead to the good part. I blinked as my logic brain tried in vain to arm wrestle the Indiana Jones-style rolling boulder of emotions which was pancaking the thoughts in my head. Okay. The word popped out, the only survivor of the boulder. I felt bad for canceling on handsome guy, but holy heck, I'm engaged. It was surreal. We kept the whole thing a secret for 3 months, I think to give each other time to back out, though we never said it out loud. The rest is history. Engaged for 3 years, married for 4, and thankful every single day.